It's another Form Titan 101 video on how to configure date fields so users can only add dates in the future. Now, this use case is specifically for your Salesforce, and it could be that in your instance of Salesforce, you've got multiple date fields set up and you only allow users to input the date fields for future and nothing in the past. And you may want to mirror that functionality across the Form Titan, so when the users are inputting that date field, it is also giving them a validation rule right in Form Titan before I even enter Salesforce. So once they enter the date in the future in Form Titan, Salesforce has no problem accepting that date because it's in the future. And to do this, I'm going to use a bit of JavaScript, and I will paste the formula in a description so you can just copy and paste it from there and use it wherever you want. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to grab a date. So we've got a date field. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Once you've got your date field, and let's give it a label. Actually, we don't need to. It doesn't really matter. At this point, once you've got your date field, we want to add a quick submit button here. And I'll tell you what we'll say. Apply. We'll say submit. And this is purely for our testing purposes. So once you've got your date field set up, click the date field. And under element settings value rule, click set value rules. Now you've got valid if. What you'll need to do, valid if equals, I believe, is custom. Once you've chosen custom, you can now add JavaScript, and all you need to do is click configure. There's our functions, and I've got this formula here, and don't worry, I'm going to paste it in our description so you can just take it from there. What you need to do is copy and paste this formula in here and basically replace this FLD with the value that the field is. So in this case, it'll be 71. So I'll just quickly come out just to repeat what I'm doing here. I've clicked the field, and as you can see here, it says FLD 71. You'll need to click set value rules, and the operator is going to be custom. Click configure, and then just paste my formula in here and then change this value to 71, which is what the date field is. Once you've done that, you can also add an error message if not valid. So we can say you must enter a date in the future. That's it. And once you click apply, you can also add a custom error message when rule is not matched, but we don't need to do that because we already configured it here. Click apply again, and let's test this. So if you go into a preview, I'm going to choose a date in the past, and here we go. Look, the error message comes up right away. You must enter a date in the future. I'll click submit. You must enter a date in the future. The error message is coming up. Now, so what is the date? Today is the, okay, we're in the wrong month. So today is the 9th, and if I'll say, even today, it will say you must enter a date in the future. And now, if I go all the way back to December 2019, and I say the 1st, it says great, it can now submit it, and it will even go ahead and submit the form for you. And that's how you do it. That's how you add JavaScript into your fields to give them a custom rule and a validation so the users can input the data as you specify it. In this case, we have to enter a date in the future. It's great, but as soon as it's in the past, we can't. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video.